Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change list icons in Google Maps. This is a great way to personalize your saved lists and make them easier to identify at a glance, whether you're organizing favorite restaurants, travel destinations, or places to visit. First, open your web browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This will take you to the Google Maps homepage where you can access all your saved locations and custom lists. Once the page loads, you'll want to look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. On that left side panel, click on Saved. This section is where Google Maps stores all your bookmarked places and custom lists you've created over time. It's essentially your personal collection of locations that matter to you. When you click on Saved, you'll see several tabs appear, but we're focusing on the lists you've created. Now you can see all your lists displayed. These might include anything from weekend getaways to coffee shops you want to try. Browse through them and click on the specific list you want to change an icon for. This will open up that particular list and show you all the locations you've saved within it. Once you've opened your chosen list, direct your attention to the top of the page right before the list name. You'll notice there's a small icon displayed there. This is the current icon representing your list. Go ahead and click on that icon. This action will open up a selection menu showing you all the available icon options. Now you'll see a variety of icons to choose from. Google Maps offers different symbols and colors to help you categorize your lists visually. Take a moment to browse through the options and choose an icon that best represents the theme or purpose of your list. Maybe a fork and knife for restaurants, a suitcase for travel plans, or a star for favorites. Click on the icon you prefer and it will immediately update. And that's it. Your list icon has been successfully changed. This simple customization makes your saved lists much more visually organized and easier to navigate when you're planning your next adventure or looking for a specific type of place. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.